Lab-grown food is a tricky term because it can be seen as a pro or a con. The science behind lab-grown food is interesting. However, it also has some downsides like the cost and taste of the produce. Many people are of the opinion that lab-grown foods are unnatural and not even close to what natural foods should be like. But on the other side, some people say that these foods could help save our environment in the future if they became mainstream in the market. We need to explore more options before making any conclusions about lab-grown food. The most common types of lab-grown foods are animal products, dairy products, seafood, meat, and staple crops. Meat consumption is one of the leading causes of greenhouse emissions and deforestation. Global meat production contributes more to global greenhouse emissions than all the cars on Earth combined. It also takes a lot of water and energy to produce meat for consumption. Lab-grown food and lab-grown meat is a new emerging field that has been trending heavily in the media. While many people are still skeptical about the quality of lab-grown food, there are many benefits to lab-grown meat and lab-grown foods. The main body of this paper will be exploring these benefits and how they play a role in the future of the food industry. Lab-grown meat is produced by taking stem cells from an animal carcass, cloning them in a nutrient broth, and letting them grow into pieces of muscle tissue that can be harvested for consumption. Some people argue that lab-grown meat may not be as nutritious as traditional meats obtained from animals raised on pasture or range. However, extensive studies have shown that many nutrients, which are found in plant foods, such as fruits and vegetables. Lab food is not an innovation, but an invention. It is a new way to get nutritional value from food, which has been processed to make it more sustainable and cheaper. There are many benefits of lab-grown foods, but the most significant one is that it can produce food at a much lower cost. This means that lab-grown foods are more accessible to the general public and less expensive for consumers. The future of lab food looks bright.